Good morning, students. Today we will continue with part 2 of matter for revision practice. It is video 8 of class 6 physics. In this video we will revise states of matter and difference between solid, liquid and gas. The three states of matter. So see the arrangement of molecule in solid, arrangement of molecules in liquid and arrangement of molecule in gases. States of matter. We know that matter is made up of tiny particles called atoms and molecules. Packing of these particles differ in various material. In some material it is closely packed, in some it is loosely packed, and in other it is free to move. According to arrangement of molecules, material are classified as solid, liquid and gas. Hence we can say that matter exists in three states: solid, liquid and gas. Here it is in balloon. They differ in shape, volume and compressibility. Compressibility, we can press the gas and collect it more in the container. That is compressibility. About shape. Solid has fixed shape and does not change its shape unless broken or cut. Water change its shape according to vessel in which we pour. Gas also change its shape according to where it is put into. When put in balloon, it acquires the shape of balloon. When it put it in the jar, it acquires the shape of jar. Hence, we observe that solid has fixed shape, liquid and gases have no fixed shape. Volume. Volume of solid does not change. It is fixed. Okay. Water. Volume of water it is also fixed. In which bottle we will put, it acquires the shape of that bottle, but volume remain fixed. But in case of gases, gases do not have fixed volume. Compressibility, next property. Solid. If we apply pressure on the solid, what we will observe? It cannot compress. Similarly, if we attach the upper lid with the piston, I don't have the lid attached with the piston. If we have the piston, what we will observe? If we push the piston inside and try to compress it, we will observe, that water cannot be compressed. In other case, when we fill gas in balloon and try to compress the balloon, what we will observe that gas can be compressed in lesser space. Hence, solid cannot compress, liquid cannot compressed, gases can be compressed. Now, general properties or characters of solid, liquid and gases, I hope that all learn it properly because it is a revision video. So, difference they have given in the table: solid, liquid and gases. Difference I think everybody know. Solid have fixed shape and size. Liquid no fixed shape and take the shape of the container. Gases no fixed shape or size. Second, solid cannot flow. Liquid can flow from higher to lower level. Gases can flow in all direction. Liquid can flow. Gases can flow in all direction. Rigid and cannot be compressed a lot. Solid. Liquid not rigid and cannot be compressed easily. Gases not rigid and can be compressed easily. Now, about volume. Solid have definite volume. Liquid have definite volume. Gases do not have fixed volume or definite volume. No definite volume. Examples they have given. So, read all this. And now, if anyone give you name of any object, you can classify that object in form of solid, liquid and gases. At the end of this chapter, revision test is there. Honestly, you have to do it in the notebook. And I hope all the question you have written in your notebook. Okay. So, revision test without cheating, you have to do in the notebook. Be honest. So, first question, define gas matter. Second, why inflated balloon is heavier than deflated balloon. Third, difference between liquid and gas. Fourth, why gases can be compressed easily. Thank you, students.